everyone, welcome to Unit 6, Week 2, Day 4. So we're going to start off with some phonemic awareness. Listen as I say three words. Pause, yawn, tool. Two of the words have the ah sound. One does not. Pause and yawn have the ah sound. Tool does not have the ah sound, so tool does not belong. I will say three words. Tell me which word does not belong. Clown, jaw, jaws, sauce. Clown does not belong because it has an ow sound instead of an ah. Okay? Draw, lawn, boy. Boy does not belong because boy has an oi sound. Hope, coat, dawn. Dawn does not belong because dawn has an ah sound. Flute, call, soon. So call does not belong because call has an ah sound. Mall, chalk, rope. Rope does not belong because it has an o sound. Last one, day, raw, pain. Now that one's a little trickier. So day and pain have a. Raw has an ah sound. So raw would not belong. Okay, so this is our fourth day doing this. So we're going to go a little bit faster. I will still highlight the ah sound. 3, 2, 1, August. 3, 2, 1, bald. Now sometimes it's with al, sometimes it's ah, and sometimes it's all. So this one is all, bald. Okay, 3, 2, 1, also. Once again, another al that says the L as well. 3, 2, 1, haunt. 3, 2, 1, sauce. 3, 2, 1, yawn. 3, 2, 1, because. 3, 2, 1, daughter. 3, 2, 1, ball. 3, 2, 1, drawn. Okay. 3, 2, 1, lawn. What is the new word we made? It's lawn. Now remove the N. So cover up the N. 3, and then it becomes lawn. Add an S to the end of the word. Laws. Change the L to P. Pause. Change the word to a homophone for pause. So that means a word that sounds the same, but it has a different meaning. So this is pause like a dog. But this is pause like you're going to stop the movie. You're going to stop it. Okay, change the P to K. Cause. Add an ul between the ul and s. So it'd be like that. Calls. Get rid of the S. Cover your hand up over the S. Call. Change the k to m. Mall. Change the m to sm. Small. Change the sm to st. Stall. Change the st to t. Tall. Change the t to f. Fall. Change the ul to n. Fawn. Change the f to d. Dawn. Now dawn can actually be a name as well. If it were a name, it'd have a capital. Okay, let's go over some spelling. I'm going to underline it and then I'm going to give you 3 seconds to read it. 3, 2, 1, naughty. 3, 2, 1, awful. 3, 2, 1, sauce. 3, 2, 1, because. 3, 2, 1, chalk. Okay, let's read the sentence. Paul's daughter likes to crawl. Okay, so here's our story, and I will be marking the ah sounds, ah or all sounds. Not too small. Okay, here's some words we're going to see. Oh, there's an all. Always, they, one, of, said, can't, and remember that's a cannot. We cross off the N and the O and put an apostrophe. Contraction. Friend, want, another, would. Okay, let's read this story. Not too small. Each day a crew of apes always played ball. They played from morning to night. They loved to play, but not with the small apes. One of the ape's daughters said, "Mother and Father, why can't we play ball with you? My friend and I might be smaller than you, but we want to play also. Brother too." Mother thought, there's thought for a while. Then she said, "We will let you play, but do not be rude or naughty." So the big apes taught the small apes how to play. Then they all played a game. The daughter caught the ball. Another ape took a picture of the super catch. When the game was over, the apes all sat down and had fruit and blue juice. It was such a fun time. From then on, the big apes would call the small apes to play ball. All the apes loved to play. Father said, "We know that you can help us, just like we can help you. It is good to be small." Okay, so once again, we're talking about vowel teams. Remember, vowel teams stick together, so they're not separated. So if I have the word crawling, I'd go, if I want to break it into syllables, I go crawling. So I'm going to break it right there. So the AW, my vowel team, stays together. Crawling. Okay, let's do a couple more. So first of all, let's find the vowel team. Generally, it has two vowels. So it would be AU. It would be AU. There are two in this one, AI and OA. This one would just be AL. This would be OO, and this would be AL and AY. Okay, let's do it. Let's make the sounds. Syllables. Because. So we're gonna break it right there. So my AU stayed the same. Let me get a different color. That's not dark enough. So I'm gonna break it. 1 second, sorry. I'm gonna break it here, and these stay the same. Okay, daughter. So we're gonna break it here. Daughter. My AU stays together. Okay, railroad. So AI is right here, stays together. We break it on rail, and then road stays together, and my OA stays together as well. Okay, tallest. Right there. See how my L's are split? One L stays there, one L stays there. But the AL stays together. Tallest. Okay, zooming. So my OI, zooming. I think that's right. Or zooming. So we break it right there. Zooming. Okay, hallway. So we're gonna break it, with hall. Oh, sorry guys. Break it with hall right there, and we keep the AL. And then way, the AY, stay together. Okay, so my high frequency words are brother. This is a picture of Tom's brother, Tim. Father. Jake's father and mother coach his baseball team. Friend. My friend and I love to play baseball. Love. My friend and I love to play baseball. Mother. Jake's father and mother coach his baseball team. Picture. This is a picture of Tom's brother, Tim. Okay, so we have been learning a lot about possessive pronouns. So possessive pronouns tell you who or what has or owns something. So it tells you whose it is. So let's look at these words. Let's find the ones, let's use them in a sentence. So my dog is special. Okay, that's talking about my dog, not your dog. So let's keep talking about the dog. Its house is red. Okay, so here's my dog. I'm talking about my dog. Here's my dog. And its house is red. Doghouse. Okay. Let's talk about, sorry, I just had to switch it a little bit. Okay, let's talk about ice cream. Okay, so like here's my ice cream. Is this ice cream yours? So is it yours? Or let's say, or is it hers? Or is it his ice cream? Or is it mine? So mine would be my ice cream. Okay, now let's talk about a cat. Is it your cat? Is it his cat? Is it her cat? Is it our cat? Is it their cat? No, it is ours. So this is another kid. So is it our cat? These kids are saying, is it ours? And they're going, no, it's ours. So telling who it belongs to. Possessive pronouns tell you who or what has or owns something. Okay, see you guys tomorrow. Bye.